Level 1. The rookie you graduate from the police academy with polished shoes, a perfectly pressed uniform, a badge that still smells like the box it came in. 24 weeks of training taught you everything you needed to know. The law, the procedures, the rules, everything seemed clean, simple. Your instructor said the system works if you follow the process. But the street doesn't follow the process. Your first patrol is with a veteran officer. 15 years on the force, your first call. A domestic disturbance. You approach the apartment expecting calm voices and de-escalation techniques. But your partner pounds on the door instead of knocking. The man inside is drunk, yelling about his rights. Your partner steps forward, gets in his face, and dares him to react, and backs down. Back in the patrol car, you mention the academy training, your partner just laughs. Forget half of what they taught you, he says. The streets don't work like that. And slowly, you start learning what he means. Level 10, the first report. 3 months later, you respond to a traffic stop backup call. When you arrive, the suspect is already on the ground. Another officer stands over him. The driver's lip is bleeding. He keeps repeating the same thing. They didn't resist. They complied. But the officer tells a different story. He says the driver tried to fight, tried to run, reached for something that might have been a weapon. He didn't see anything. You arrived at it. But when the sergeant asks for statements, everyone looks at you. The report needs to match the others. Not exactly. Just close enough so you write what they expect. The suspect resisted. The officer used appropriate force. Report filed. Case closed. It feels like something important just happened. Nobody else treats it that way. To them, it's just Tuesday. The first money 6 months later, you arrest a small-time drug dealer. You find cocaine in his pocket, enough for serious charges. But you also find $200 in cash. Your partner pulls you aside. Write down 100, he says. The rest is tax. These people don't follow society's rules, so why should we? The logic sounds almost reasonable. You take the money. Sits in your wallet for 3 days before you spend it on groceries. And the strange part, spends exactly the same as honest money. Level 40, the street cop here off probation now. You're in patrol car, you're in district. The local businesses recognize you. The coffee shop owner gives you free coffee. The restaurant doesn't charge for lunch. The bar owner shakes your hand and slips you an envelope at Christmas. Nobody calls it a bribe. They call it appreciation. Technically, department policy forbids it, but everyone does it, supervisors included. So the rule slowly stops feeling like a rule. Level 60, the detective, your arrest numbers look good. Get promoted to detective. Now you're not responding to crimes, you're building cases. You learn something interesting very quickly. Investigations don't always start with evidence. Sometimes they start with a target. You already know who the criminals are, you just need to prove it. Informants give you tips. Some are honest. Some lie for money. Sometimes you know they're lying. But you use the information anyway, because the suspect is guilty. And the system rewards results, not perfection. Level 80, the big cases. Now the targets are bigger. Organized crime, drug networks, money moving through businesses. The pressure to win cases is enormous. Evidence gets complicated. Witnesses disappear. Technical mistakes ruin prosecutions. So sometimes, evidence needs a little help. Missing details. An extra package locked there. Criminals still go to prison. And everyone celebrates the victory. Level 100. Assisting years pass. Promotions come. You're no longer the rookie. You're the one giving orders now. Young officers look to you for guidance. They ask how the job really works, so without even realizing it, you teach them the same lessons you learned. Small compromises, necessary shortcuts, quiet loyalty. One night, sitting alone in your office, you realize something. There was never a single moment when you became corrupt. No dramatic turning point, just 1,000 small decisions, each one easier than the person who swore you'd never become. Staring back at you in the reflection of the badge, and somewhere in the station, a brand new rookie walks through the door. Clean uniform, polished shoes, a badge that still smells like the box it came in. Level 1. The cycle begins again.